Hi guys, one more time. I said I'd make another video and keep it short and sweet. Only push the button once. This is if your key fob ever goes out. If your transponder goes out in your key fob and it no longer works, and you can see you got to push button start. I'm pushing the button one time with my foot on the brake. Nothing's happening. It says key fob not detected. But if you will take your key fob and actually touch it to the button itself and push the button in with it, the car starts. This works on a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Honda, Toyota, I'm told. And there you go. It's just a little trick, and apparently it's in your owner's manual too.